got a 2-litre blacktop Z10.
I think I've remembered most of it.
It's one at a time you did it.
All right. Go.
Actually, you can probably just use that. Speak.
Hello, hello, hello.
Right, there's a quick go of that, make sure it's right.
Hello and welcome back to another one with On The Limiter. As you'll see as the video unfolds today, there hasn't been many limiters hit today, has there, Dan?
I caught it once.
Yeah.
Once.
Yeah, well, you'll see as the video goes on, but obviously what we're looking at today, again, it's lovely to be invited to see things like this in front of us. This is a little MEV rocket kit car, which is based on the Mark 1 Focus with the black top. Is it 150 or 170, is this?
This one's 170 with the bodies.
Right, so 170 with the bodies. The car itself weighs 500 kilograms. So in terms of power to weight, the way I can make everybody kind of understand is if you imagine a little, let's say a Mark 1 MX-5 with 350 brake, that's basically what you're looking at here, which is, it's quick, isn't it?
Oh, it flies.
It's quick. It's very quick. Gen V throttle bodies, Omex 600 ECU. I think we've got some videos of the rolling road as well, with a car being tuned as well, haven't we?
So we're going to have to admit a little bit about what's happened with the video here. It's possible I was driving it, possibly. I've broke it, haven't I?
Yeah, we haven't had the best of starts today. I think we had about 10, 15 minutes out in the car, but before we come to shoot the video today, the chaps who owned the car went off for a little blast, and there was a bit of a funny noise in second gear, so we knew that we may bump into a few problems. Obviously, Dan accelerated those issues by driving like a helmet.
It wasn't going that bad,
broken.
really. It was a first, second, third. In fact, it wasn't even. It was just 2/3.
Yeah.
We've got it on video anyhow. So we lost some gears. We've found the gears back again. You'll see that in the video. And we've limped it back. It's a shame because it's not really a big problem. Is that what's broke? There's no way that was my fault. You made me feel bad.
I haven't driven it.
This is the only time I've ever seen you look terrified in a car. Right. Try and say something.
I'm horrified. Horrified. If this sounds working, I'll start to tell everybody before this video starts, I feel like I'm going to die already. It hasn't even started.
You do look scared. I've never seen you like this.
I am. I genuinely was terrified. I've normally got balls. I'm game for anything. I'll have a go at anything once. I think once and this was definitely enough for me, to be fair. I actually felt really unsafe, mate.
The guys that built it, they're clued up.
Yeah, yeah.
They're clued up. They put everything together on this thing, but from what I'm told, they bought the car and it was sort of put together in a fashion
To make it look like it was right, wasn't it? But needed finishing.
So they then, instead of finishing it, being the way they are, they stripped the whole thing down to absolutely nothing. We've got the pictures there. Stripped it right down to a bare shell, which would have looked like a supermarket shopping trolley.
And built it properly.
Built it back up. There's no wires hanging out. There's just no shortcuts. We have got footage of us driving it. But one of the reasons the guys took this out today was while we were at work, they said, we'll go and get some footage for you. You know, we'll go and record the car. We'll do some drive-bys, get some accelerations done and what have you. And I'm pleased they did. Because it's actually saved this.
Because we broke it, so we didn't get a chance to do that. Hey. Sorry, you broke it.
Well, anyways, guys, we'll keep it short. We'll put some clips in for you to have a look at it on the go. Please remember to hit the subscribe button to the channel as well. It's really took back off again. So we'll thank you all. We've had so much positive feedback. I don't know if YouTube's banned negative feedback or what, but everything seems to be good.
It's been good, which makes a nice change. The internet's ugly, and so to get good feedback does make a nice change. And also, obviously, with this car, obviously we owe to you guys, not just putting the spec in. There will be a part 2, which you'll probably see me screaming for about 10 minutes in the passenger seat and driving it, so I look forward to that one.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, guys.
Cheers.
Hit the subscribe button.
Go along here, right?
Yeah.
You want to turn on the back one?
Tell you what, clutch doesn't feel right.
Anyway, what I was saying,
Yeah.
this would be good if you've just started dating a lass, which you and me wouldn't do because we've got mothers of children.
Yeah.
Have you ever been out and you've needed to fart in the early stages? You're going to get away with it, aren't you?
It's my breath that's a problem.
Sorted.
I've always wondered what it'd be like to be in Mario Kart.
Right. Oh dear God. Mate, these brakes.
My head's not big, by the way. It's just this camera angle just makes it look that way. I can't actually describe how I'm feeling right now. It's very funny. Fucking hell! I know that. I feel like a little remote control car out of Toy Story. You know the one with the green aerial.
I don't know how I feel, you know.
We're not even going fast enough, pushing our footplate through the floor, shitting myself.
We're doing 26 mile an hour. It feels like 126.
No, it's exciting, like, isn't it? It's exciting. Oh.
Hey, mate.
What?
Hold on to that.
I think we have a problem. No gears. Roll off the left. Just go straight left. At least we're out the way if something's not right. Oh, we've got a gear. It's just funny there.
Listen, I'm leaving it in that, whatever it is. And it's getting us home.
Yeah. Just go for it. Just go for it. Fuck it, just go for it. Yeah, while we are doing this video, we're having some slight problems with transmission. Like, I mean, slight problems, we can't actually get any gears at the minute.
Oh, hold on.
Right, so we've got second.
We've got a second gear.
Got second gear.